chronic kidney disease and its impact on sexual health in men. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sanskriti Chauhan, consultant nephrologist and transplant physician practicing out of Fortis Hospital, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. In continuation with what we were discussing in women, I'd also like to discuss something today about 70% men who have chronic kidney disease have some or the other problem in terms of sexual health when they suffer from chronic kidney disease. The problem is that there is so much of stigma and taboo associated with this discussion that it is not even brought up with a nephrologist in the OPD discussions. तो usually जो चीज़ें discuss होती हैं वो blood pressure, anemia management, acidosis management, bone mineral metabolism management, diabetes management, but what gets ignored and what probably contributes a lot to the overall quality of life is the impact chronic kidney disease has on sexual health. So firstly, how does chronic kidney disease impact men's sexual health? Chronic kidney disease से associated 3 problems हैं. सबसे पहले, the commonest cause of chronic kidney disease in India and world over is type 2 diabetes. And diabetes we know is a problem of vascular health. Diabetes आपके पूरे overall vasculature को affect करता है, not just in the heart, in the brain, in the kidney, but also in the sexual organs. जब आप vasculature affect होता है तो blood flow to these organs including genital organs impact होता है, which can impact erection in men, resulting in erectile dysfunction, which is one of the commoner problems that men come to the OPD with. The second problem is that chronic kidney disease is a state of chronic inflammation. तो वो आपके एंडोथीलियम को, जो ब्लड वेसल्स की लाइनिंग है, ना कि उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करता है बट ऑल्सो आपके नर्व हेल्थ को इम्पैक्ट करता है. एंड जब नर्व हेल्थ इम्पैक्ट होती है, मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम के जो नर्व्स हैं, पैरासिम्पैथेटिक एंड सिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम इम्पैक्ट होता है लॉन्ग टर्म डायबिटीज़, लॉन्ग टर्म chronic kidney disease के कारण. सो इरेक्शन एंड इजैकुलेशन का जो बैलेंस है वो इम्पेयर होता है, एंड दैट कैन रिजल्ट इन significant psychological issues in men. The third problem is that जो chronic kidney disease है उसमें काफ़ी सारी ऐसी BP की मेडिसिन्स चलती हैं, डायबिटीज़ की मेडिसिन्स चलती हैं, CKD in itself की मेडिसिन्स चलती हैं जो आपके सिंपैथेटिक एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम के फंक्शन को इम्पेयर कर सकते हैं, which can also result in loss of erection or problems with ejaculation. So these are the 3 ways in which chronic kidney disease can impact sexual function. Another important thing, in more severe stages of CKD, which is when the kidney function actually starts to go below 30 mils per minute per 1.73 meter square, and particularly in men who are on dialysis, is a state of hypogonadotropic hypogonadism, जहाँ पे जो यूरेमिक टॉक्सिन्स की मात्रा है वो ब्लड में इतनी बढ़ जाती है कि वो आपके हाइपोथैलेमस पिट्यूटरी गोनाडल एक्सिस को नेगेटिवली इम्पेयर करती है, सप्रेस करती है, which causes a state of low testosterone levels in the blood. And these low testosterone levels in the blood can have multiple impacts. Not only will they result in loss of libido, which is the desire to have any sexual activity, but also a state of low testosterone will cause a loss of muscle mass in men. It will cause a loss of bone mass in men. And both of this can cause loss in energy levels. It can result in a state of fatigue. So they may not be able to sustain the required energy during sexual activity. And CKD is also specifically advanced stages of CKD is also associated with severe degrees of anemia या low hemoglobin, which can also impact energy levels, can cause profound fatigue, and can result in difficulties in engaging and sustaining sexual activity. So these are the various ways in which chronic kidney disease can impair sexual health in men. Now coming on to the psychological impact of chronic kidney disease. सो पहली बात तो जब किसी को एक chronic disease के साथ लेबल करा जाता है, particularly CKD, so there is a lot of mental trauma that comes along with this diagnosis, with this stamp of chronic kidney disease. People often fear, especially young people often fear, that a couple of years down the line they will land up on dialysis, they will land up needing a transplant. There is not enough awareness in the country about the advantages of a kidney transplant, the success rates of a kidney transplant, and so the problem is that people don't seek care, they don't stick to their medications, which can halt the CKD progression. And the trauma that comes with a stamp of CKD is associated with significant anxiety, with significant depression. और ये जो mental issues of anxiety and mental issues of depression, psychological stress हैं, ये भी आपके sexual health को negatively impair करते हैं. और ये सब चीज़ें कभी भी किसी nephrology OPD में hardly discuss की जाती हैं. Patients are often referred to a psychiatrist, they are often referred to a neurologist, and enough discussion is not done in terms of addressing these aspects of mental health care, which can positively impact the quality of life if treated properly. So now moving on to what can be done. अगर एक मेल पेशेंट है जो रिलेटिवली एडवांस स्टेजेस ऑफ किडनी डिजीज़ में है, जहाँ पे किडनी का काम 15% या उससे नीचे है, द पेशेंट इज़ ऑलरेडी हैज़ स्टेज 5 CKD, or the patient is on dialysis, the best treatment often to restore fertility, to restore reproductive health, to restore sexual health is a kidney transplant. Whether it is a preemptive kidney transplant before going on dialysis or it is a transplant after starting dialysis, that is the best treatment to restore reproductive health, provided transplant is not a contraindication. Can something be done if in the earlier stages of CKD? Yes. So जो हम normally causes address करना चाहते हैं, सबसे पहला जो cause हम address करना चाहते हैं वो है mental health. Are you suffering from depression? Are you suffering from anxiety? If yes, then those causes need to be addressed first. The second is good management of CKD associated anemia. Normally, if the hemoglobin levels are low, they can impact energy levels, and which can also result in poor sexual performance. So that is something that can be addressed. Some men who have documented low levels of testosterone may also become candidates of testosterone replacement therapy, but this is usually done under careful guidance of a nephrologist, because using a hormone in chronic kidney disease can often impact blood pressure levels. So this has to be only and only done under supervision and not without proper medical supervision. द फोर्थ इज़ जो इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन की प्रॉब्लम है, उसके लिए हमारे पास बहुत अच्छी दवाइयाँ आज की तारीख में अवेलेबल हैं, जिनका जो कॉमनली मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन है वो फॉस्फोडाइस्ट्रेज 5 एंजाइम को इनहिबिट करके होता है. बट ये दवाइयाँ भी ओवर द काउंटर ऐसे ही खरीदी नहीं जानी चाहिए और इनका इस्तेमाल ऐसे ही नहीं किया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि इन दवाइयों के भी सिग्निफिकेंट साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं और इन दवाइयों का बाकी की क्रॉनिक किडनी डिजीज़ की दवाइयों के साथ इंटरैक्शन हो सकता है, तो इनको भी अंडर प्रॉपर सुपरविजन इनिशिएट करना चाहिए. एंड फाइनली इट इज़ ऑफन एडवाइज्ड, जो मेन यूजुअली एक्टिव हैं उनको हम एडवाइस करते हैं कि वो एटलीस्ट 75, अगर उनका कार्डियोवास्कुलर हेल्थ अलाउ करे, एटलीस्ट 75 मिनट्स ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग अंडर सुपरविजन एंड अबाउट 150 to 300 मिनट्स ऑफ मॉडरेट इंटेंसिटी एरोबिक एक्टिविटीज़ में इंगेज करें. नॉट ओनली डज इट हैव beneficial effects on your mental health, it will also boost your muscle mass, it will preserve your bone mass, and overall it will improve your sexual performance by impacting multiple systems positively. Lastly, there are some medicines, some BP medicines and some medicines that can negatively impact sexual health. So if you are somebody who is facing a problem with sexual health, particularly if you are in the relatively milder stages of CKD, जहाँ पे normally hypogonadotropic hypogonadism नहीं होती है, you can have a discussion with your nephrologist if some changes can be made to your existing chronic kidney disease medications. Thank you.